ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಗಡ ಫ್ರಮ್ 5th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. And the video lesson for this is already completed. I request you to watch the video lesson. I'll leave the link here, and also you can watch the playlist for 5th standard Siri Kannada where all the lesson, poem and exercises are updated in that playlist. The link will be available in the description box. I'll also leave it here. So let's start with the exercise. Ivattu Kannada Bari Namma Sangada. Before starting, take out your textbook, sit in a quiet place. We'll start, and remember makla, here I'll be giving you the meaning for the questions. I'll make you to understand the questions, but I don't give you the exact answers. Okay na? So it's very important. You have to follow the video lesson very importantly. Let's start with first we have a padagala artha. So while explaining the lesson, its poem itself, I've given already the meanings. If you still find any doubt with the padagala artha, feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'll explain you. Next ಏನಿದೆ, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ for the below question ಉತ್ತರಿಸಿ, answer it. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಏನೆಂದು ಉಸಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಉಸಿರೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಸೇ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇ, ಏನೆಂದು ಉಸಿರಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೇ ಇಟ್. ಕೈಯ ತುಂಬ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಕೈಯ ತುಂಬ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಫುಲ್. ಕೈ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಫುಲ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ನೇಸರ ಏನನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತಬೇಕು, ಬಿತ್ತೋದು ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟು ಸೋ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ದ ನೇಸರ ಸೋ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೇಸರ? ನೇಸರ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸನ್. ಸನ್ ಏನು ಸೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ದ ಸನ್ ಸೋ. ಎದೆಯ ತುಂಬ ಯಾವುದು ತುಳುಕಬೇಕು, ಎದೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಫುಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಏನಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿ ತುಳುಕಬೇಕು, ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಏನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಪದ್ಯ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ದ ಬಿಲೋ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ, ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇಟ್, ಕಂಠಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಸೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಪೋಯಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣ ಇದೆ, ಸಂಧಿ, ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ Kannada Grammar. Please do check out this playlist for more information about the sandhi. So that's it in Kannada Bari Namma Sangada. Thank you so much, and share this video with your friends who are struggling to understand the exercises. Meet you all with one more video lesson ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.